not to recognize that. Everywhere you see URLs on city buses, you see computer gurus offering advice in syndicated columns. You see the proliferation of mobile communications devices, whether PCS phones or Palm Pilots.
Technology clearly is omnipresent in both our personal and professional lives, often blurring the lines between the two. And what a lot of noise comes with that. Cheap, fast, small, light, better, bigger, richer, simpler. The hype is often followed by empty promises. We are truly awash in a sea of technology options, and how to sort the breakthroughs from the ordinary.
So that's the challenge that we took up with these first annual SuperQuest Awards, identifying innovation, creativity, and excellence. But not just from walking around the SuperComm show floor, as impressive as it may be, and admiring black boxes mounted on plexiglass. We asked for nominations that put these products and services to work, actual working applications that actually improve business processes and the bottom line.
We asked for entries from public network implementations and from the enterprise side, another line that is increasingly blurring. We wanted to identify the most innovative uses of network technology in a wide range of categories.
And so the 6 SuperQuest Awards for public network service providers are going to be in the categories of the following: local access services, new competitive local networks, operations support systems, backbone bandwidth, wireless mobile networks, and IP telephony.
And the 4 categories on the enterprise side for SuperQuest Awards include enterprise routing and switching, remote access, network and systems management, and finally network security.
Right now there's one more important bit of business to conclude before we name the winners of these 10 SuperQuest Awards and before we tell you the 2 winners of the SuperQuest Catalyst Awards. So to help us do that, I'd like to invite Jack Chalden, General Manager of SuperComm, to the stage.
Thank you, Karen. It takes many very intelligent people and creative folks to invent and execute a worthwhile awards program such as you're about to see. And you've already met some of these folks, the CMP media movers and shakers that were on the stage, who along with leaders of USTA and TIA dreamed up this important SuperComm program. At this time, I'm pleased to introduce SuperComm's owners and senior executives who are responsible for both the show's production and for its strategic leadership. First of all, Matt Flanagan. We've got a new name for you, Matt. First of all, Matt Flanagan, President of the Telecommunications Industry Association. See if I can do it with Roy's name. Roy Neal, President and CEO of the United States Telephone Association. Bob Janowick, member of the SuperComm Executive Committee and Executive Director of IEC, the International Engineering Consortium. Roger Plummer, SuperComm Program Manager and Managing Director of IEC. Elizabeth Brooks, Vice President of Development and Marketing of the United States Telephone Association. And Hank Whelan, who I believe had some duties earlier this evening, who is Vice President of Trade Shows and Marketing for the Telecommunications Industry Association. But the hardest working members of the team are, of course, the judges. These all-important people willingly gave their time and patience to work through the mountains of paper and engage in thoughtful deliberations via email, teleconferencing, and direct contact. Please let me introduce our judges to you, many of whom are here tonight. And if you are, when you're here, please stand when I call your name. First of all, Ray Albers, Vice President of Network Architecture, Bell Atlantic, and member of the United States Telephone Association. Ron Agner, President and Chief Operations Officer, U.S. Telecom Advanced Technology, and member of the Telecommunications Industry Association. Paul Hart, Vice President, Technical Disciplines, USTA. Charles Hempling, President of C.A. Hempling Associates and member of the International Engineering Consortium. Anil Kumar, Senior Manager, Deloitte & Touche Consulting Group and member of the International Communications Association. Lin Shan Lee, Professor, Department of Engineering at National Taiwan University and Vice President of International Affairs of IEEE. Karen Lynch, Gordon Ray, Executive Advisor for NEC America and a board member of TIA. Candy Reedy, Director of Executive Decision Support at Applied Materials and a member of ICA. Deborah Robinson, Vice President and CIO, CMP Media, Inc. Terry Sweeney. Morris Westerhold, President, TCP Consulting, Inc., and member of IEC. And the final judge, Celia Desmond of Stentor, and a member of IEEE. Please join me, as which you just have, in thanking these award judges. They put in a tremendous amount of time and effort. Now let's proceed with the reason we're all here. Karen and Terry, back to you.
Jack, thank you. This Baker's Dozen group of judges sifted through numerous nominations, narrowing them all down to 3 finalists per category. And as has been said, we're here tonight to announce these winners and the business partners who've worked with them to create their award-winning entry.
We ask the representatives of the winning organization to come to the stage to accept your award. Your SuperQuest partners, unfortunately, should remain seated, and the partners whose name you'll see listed on these screens will receive their awards after the main ceremony. And after all of this anticipation building, our first SuperQuest award in the public network sector is for local access services. In picking our winner, the SuperQuest judges cited the winner's artful mix of wireless, IP, and broadband technologies. This sort of hybrid provides the CLEX customer base with all manner of voice, data, and internet access services using wireless local loop technologies. And so, the first ever SuperQuest award goes to Third Rail Wireless Services, Inc. The SuperQuest, oh, excuse me. We have a photo op. We also have a speech op.
All right. Well, I'd like to thank all the SuperQuest judges for allowing me to take this award back to Third Rail and my staff. I'd also like to thank Spike Technology Corporation, whose hardware and technology solutions allowed us, allowed us to provide this hardware solution for us to deliver these services. Without them, we probably would have never been able to see this award. And I'd also like to thank my staff at Third Rail Services for an incredible effort in allowing us to win this award. And that's it. Thank you very much.
The SuperQuest partners of Third Rail include Spike Technologies, no surprise, Cabletron Systems, Four Systems, Auditel Inc., New Hampshire Public Utilities Commission, that's an interesting one, MCI Communications Corporation, WorldCom, and Vienna Systems Corporation, all of whom work together with Third Rail to create this network.
Plant of its competitors. The SuperQuest Award for Competitive Local Networks goes to Windstar Communications, Inc. I'm going to go ahead and read the SuperQuest partners, who include PCOM Incorporated, Digital Microwave Corporation, Lucent Technologies, Advanced Fiber Communications, Tellabs, and Illuminet.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Windstar, I'd like to thank, of course, the judges and folks from CMP Media, the USTA and the TIA for bringing this event to where we are tonight, and thank all the folks at Windstar who helped to make it possible and helped make us a success. Thank you.
The third SuperQuest Award in the public network categories is for excellence and innovation in operations support systems, those back office systems that handle all manner of administration, maintenance, and provisioning of carrier services. The judges for this category were particularly impressed by the scope of this implementation, using CMIP databases to handle number portability between competing carriers across the entire United States. Our SuperQuest winner is Lockheed Martin Corporation for its MPAC initiative. And the partners are Evolving Systems Inc., Stratus Computer, Oracle, and DSET Corporation.
I'd like to thank all the judges, and I'd like to thank in particular all of our customers who have helped make this work. Thank you.
Our next category is for innovative use of public network backbone bandwidth. And our winning entry knows from Bandwidth, acting on the wholesale level as a carrier's carrier. This company took the plunge with a full-blown ATM backbone, which it believes is the best choice for multi-service networks that are both robust and switchable and more cost-effective than Sonnet. And no, the winner is not Sprint. The winner for the most innovative use of backbone bandwidth is Williams Network. Williams SuperQuest partners include Ascend Communications, Intertech, Metasolve Software, and Objective Systems Integrators.
Well, thank you. I'd like to thank all the judges. I'd like to thank SuperComm and CMP for hosting this tremendous event. This award is very important to Williams. It's recognition for the fact that we really are taking the plunge. We are implementing a true multi-service network, one to offer IP, frame, ATM, and as well as video and TDM services such as DS1 and DS3 private line. I'd like to thank everyone at Williams that made this possible, those in the engineering department that had the vision to design a network of the future. And I'd like to thank ASCEND for providing the high-performance hardware that we need to make this a reality.
Our fifth category under public networking is for wireless mobile services. We've had a lot of wireless fixed services already. A bit of information on this award winner, since that's what this winner traffics in. Any cellular user, if you can picture this, any cellular user of an affiliated operator can dial 411 from anywhere in the country and get connected to one of 3 call centers nationwide. Then the networked databases and advanced call routing save operators money and add value for customers on the go. The SuperQuest Award winner for wireless mobile services is Infonex of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. And the partners in this network application are Priority Call Management, Inc., Microsoft, and Sybase.